I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by setting clear prerequisites. Prioritize confidants that boost confidence and choose activities that raise knowledge and willpower. Once done, deliberately select dialogue options that lean toward bravery. Practice makes choices feel natural. Make sure to spend evenings on study, part-time work, or bonding scenes that grant small, cumulative courage increases. This immediate focus prevents scrambling later and creates reliable opportunities during demanding social link or battle moments, giving you You now push the process deeper. Coordinate equipment, persona fusion, and party buffs to minimize fear in challenging dungeons. Once those mechanical supports are in place, deliberately time social link events so the conversation branches present courageous choices. This is how narrative courage compounds. Make sure to alternate restorative days with training. Stamina and mental stats directly influence decision windows. Practice choosing brave lines in low-stakes moments so, when a major turning point arrives, your choice feels earned and grounded. You finish by locking in momentum and handling setbacks. Before major scenes, save so you can experiment with courageous lines and learn outcomes safely. If you find options locked, go back and replay prior confidant interactions or grind a few evenings to restore necessary stats. Make sure to refuse personas or adjust equipment to meet thresholds for those pivotal choices. Troubleshooting tip. If courage options still fail, pause and rebuild willpower and knowledge for 1 to 3 days to reset the narrative window.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.